So today I'm going to show off my new junk journals. I'm going to start with this one. They are the prayer journals. So this one's my small journal. This one's always the one that I give away. And when it's time for people to start, enough people subscribed where I can do giveaways, I will be doing these more for the giveaway, but right now I don't, so I'm using Antiquepaperie's digital. This one has an envelope and then a journaling card in the envelope. And I didn't sew because right now I'm dealing with sewing machine issues, so one of the triple pockets. Cute little cards in them. Coffee dyed paper. Another one of my pockets, so I'm gonna put junk journal link card and a tag in it. Dictionary page, crochet page, arithmetic page, and another coffee dyed paper, and then another triple with some tags and even a little card in it. Or not card, but one of my definitions from my whatchamacallit, doily, one of my digitals, another digital from Paperie, music paper, another portion of my doily. I kind of left this very, very clean and generic. Tried to make it so people can add their own stuff to it too a little bit when they get it. Another triple pocket with a couple different things, like a card that I made into a journaling card. Little tag, definition. This is another journaling card I made out of flashcard. Another tag here. And then at the very end, or second to last page, I have another envelope with my business cards in it, a thank you in it, and that type of thing. And then this. And then I'm going to be writing down at the top here what kind of digitals I was using from what shops and everything, so this way when people have questions they have a way of answering them a little bit. And the cover is made out of a gift bag that I got, a paper gift bag that I got for my birthday or my daughter's birthday or something like that. So, and then I just tied it around with the binding string I normally use, just because I had a bunch left. I didn't want to waste it. Now this one is what I'd be calling my prayer junk journal 1 on my Etsy shop. And I just binded these recently, so they're pretty. And you guys did all this with me, so envelope. Right. Again, another one of my like doily things. I think this might be one of my embroidered stuff instead of my doily, but no, I didn't realize I did that. pocket on this side and then a pocket on that side. Or a tuck. But when I saw Antiquepaperie's thing like this, it made me think prayer journal immediately and all that, so I just decided to do that with it. I'm not remembering what one it is. For some reason my post-it note disappeared in the process of doing all this, so nice tag here with one of my pockets I made. Some random papers. I tried to do on each one of them a doily and then an embroidered one. And I'm thinking about stamping these so they're not going to be so plain. Just because plain don't ain't the best for everything. Probably just my line stamping, just because with the whole stamping situation, I don't want to try using my stamps if I know that I could get in trouble for them or whatever. Something tells me not to touch them. So, and then this one is a double pocket, so if somebody wanted to add more to it, they'd be able to. Another triple pocket. And then my cute little envelope with my information, little stuff on there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this as. Unimportant phone call, as usual. Now this is going to be prayer journal number 2 on my Etsy. And I really like this one. I like the green and then the blue stuff that I put on it. I just really liked it. And again, there's an angel right at the front. It makes sense to call it a prayer journal when you see all the little angels and stuff that I added into it, and a lot of the stuff that's in it. It just seems like a prayer journal to me, so I'm going to stick with calling it a prayer journal. But yeah, there ain't much to these. They're all pretty much styled the same. Random pockets, a little bit with them, and these pockets that I just love this paper. It's so thick. I love using it for pockets, just extra pockets. And that, could fit up there. I just think it looks cuter there. Another little pocket here. And I tried to leave them a little bit plain, so then whoever gets them that buys this journal will be able to add a lot to it. Because I didn't want to add so much and then put it on the side. There we go. you know, people having a hard time, you know, leave a couple pockets empty. Add a couple journaling cards to random places. You know, I tried to keep it together for the most part, but add stuff to it. And I made this book very, very chunky. And then I added, again, my envelope towards the end. So this one's number 2, this one's number 1, and this one is going to be my giveaway, where I'm going to give this to someone, more than likely not on my YouTube, but when we start getting more YouTubers subscribing to this channel, then I'll be doing that. But until then, I'm going to be giving this away to family members or people of the community at this point. Like the last one I donated to the grotto in Rudolph. This one I'm probably going to be donating to someone in Black River Falls. So, again, I donate them. My collage journals, I did donate them to, I want to say a couple of my cousins on my dad's side while they were on vacation in the Dells with me. So, I mean, again, I try to donate at least one out of every set I make. It makes me feel better, and it's good to be charitable as a person and as a company being charitable as much as possible anyways. I still have to make a living. Enjoy the rest of your day.